Let's do a bag haul. These are all from the app that shall not be named, so shh. A lot of good bags to show today, so let's get started. First bag is absolutely insane. It is this Y2K inspired white leather shoulder bag. It's like a 30 centimeter size, so it fits a lot. And that little charm is everything. 100% real leather, super slouchy, as you can see. The quality is insane. It also comes in black. Like a pouch bag that you just unfold like that. The sides have the CC embossed. It does come with a zipper, so you just unzip that. And it's basically just like a giant pouch bag. So you get a zipper pocket and then 2 pockets on this side. But it's really, really, really great quality. And it also comes with a crossbody chain. This next bag is also really cool. It's a classic flap in this new kind of like canvas leopard print. Hello, this is so cool. It's like a jumbo size, so has a little pocket in the back. Ignore it that it's smushed and needs to be stuffed, but has the CC. So open that, and the inside is just like leather. And yeah, this is how it looks. You just get like a zipper pocket and the flap pocket in there. So it's a pretty big bag. You can definitely fit an iPad in here if you wanted to. Next bag is a vanity bag. This is the same material as that popular teal tote bag that we've been seeing. I don't think they actually make this bag in this color, unfortunately, but it is so cute. Like, look at that, with a crossbody strap that you can't detach. But I'm loving this mint color. That is just so cute. And the inside is really great quality too, as you can see. So yeah, it's a shame they don't actually make this bag. I mean, maybe they do and they just haven't come out with it yet, I don't know. But as of right now, they don't. Next bag is also a style of vanity bag. This one is the black with white trim, like vintage looking bag. The quality on this is just okay. I'm not in love with how the stitching looks, but the gold is good. Here's how the inside looks, and it does come with a crossbody strap you can attach to the top, but really, really cute and definitely real leather. Next is a bag from this brand, and this is an all leather little baguette bag. I am obsessed with these. You just pull on this to make it kind of cinched, and it's the perfect chic everyday quiet luxury purse. Here's how the inside looks. You get a zipper pocket and a couple flat pockets here, and it also does come with a longer, thicker crossbody strap. So next is a bag from this brand, and this is a Speedy 30 from the new Keith Haring collaboration. Super cool. Big fan of Keith Haring. I'm from San Francisco, so it makes sense, but I think they did a really good job at remaking this bag. I mean, that's really cool. I can't believe they actually have this bag. It comes in a couple different colors, like pink and stuff like that. And it also comes with the iconic Speedy strap, so you can wear it on your shoulder. This bag is perfect for traveling or every day if you carry a lot of stuff. This is how the inside looks. So yeah, like I said, not like super insane quality, but good enough in my opinion. It also comes with a little lock. The thing about the locks with most of these bags is they give you a matte lock. I don't know why. The hardware is shiny, but they give you a matte lock. I don't know. Next bag is from this brand, and I'm obsessed with how this looks. It is like a little Boston shoulder bag. I love how the black with the stripe looks. I think it just looks so classic, so vintage. I really want the duffel bag version of this, so once they come out with that. But the gold is great. It comes with this keychain. Also comes with a crossbody strap, and this is just how the inside looks. So yeah, really cute, good, just everyday bag. Lastly, we have some wallets. First one is a wallet on chain, satin black envelope wallet on chain. It comes with the gold crossbody strap. Now I have heard that over time this does end up like oxidizing or whatever, so I mean, it's not like they're using like gold plated anything, so just keep that in mind when you buy these bags. This will turn rusty if you use it a lot, but you can always just get a replacement chain off of like Amazon or something. But here's how it looks. Really good quality on these all the time, and the best part is that they always come with these 2 little inserts. So you get a card slot thing and then a zipper pocket, so you basically get like a 3-in-1. And then this is just how the inside looks. So it's perfect for every day. It fits your phone, keys, stuff like that. Another wallet from this brand. This one's also an envelope style, but in this like kind of pebbled leather texture, baby pink, super cute, and it just unfolds to a zipper wallet and a bunch of card slots. So if you keep a lot of stuff, this is perfect. Really, really cute, and even the monogram kind of lines up, so that's nice. Lastly, a wallet from this brand. This one is just a small little everyday wallet. It has the snakes on it, so this is from that one collection. Or are these tigers? I don't know what they are, but you know what that is. But canvas all over, and it just unfolds into this, so you get space for your cash, and then even a zipper pocket and some card slots. So for the size of this wallet, it does carry a lot because it's really not that big. Well, that was everything I had to show you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye.